Is this a video?
It is a video. Where are we at right now?
Glorious, glorious Taco Bell. Can't wait to regret this.
Living our best life at 12:17. So I'm so excited for my Mexican pizza. So we just casually have Ayla in the back. We didn't forget her.
Can you see her? Oh, in this mirror, you can see Ayla.
You can you see the camera?
So I have her socks.
Okay, is Bri going?
Yeah.
Oh wow, already has a credit card. You are ready, aren't you?
Let's get that hair fixed for the cam, huh?
Oh, you gotta look good. Yeah. Go, Ayla.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, all three of us are gonna race.
Oh my gosh, are you ready? Alright,
This place is really fun, legit. Like, I enjoyed it myself.
Have you been here a lot?
Once.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah. Hi, I'm still here.
All right. Oh, now you're stuck with us because I don't know how to get out. Hi.
Fairy godmother's here.
Do you need help?
Good job.
Woo! Yay! Oh, wow. Ayla, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Come on.
You're so pretty. The camera loves you.
Hey, look. Ayla. Ayla, look. What are these?
Oh. Oh, there's more balls over there too.
Whoa.
Look at those.
Boom, boom, boom. Hiya, 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 hiya. You're killing it.
Ayla, Santa, down the snake slide.
Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2.
Bye. All right, here we go.
Oh shit! That was a lot of fun.
That was a fast one.
Nice. Cute. So tell us about Cosmic Creations.
Handmade, authentic gemstone jewelry. Designed to fit wherever you are in life and whatever you need to manifest or embody. Check it out, Cosmic Creations by Q on Etsy.
Etsy? Oh my gosh, link in the bio, people.
See the tree of life? Custom made to order. Designed to fit your wrist and your wrist only. This one's yellow aventurine and this one's a Super 7.
Wow.
So dang cute.
She is cute. Rich, are you liking what you're watching right now? Is it a good?
I always make fun of her for that.
I mean, Miss Rachel's pretty hot.
Oh.
And, I think Dad sincerely feels that.
No, he does. We talked about it.
He said it.
Is that your type?
He said it many times. Not really.
Yeah, I was gonna say she doesn't look a thing like Debbie. I just feel like you went on the dark side with like no support to our generation.
Are you kidding me? We gotta just blend in. Well, here's the thing. You're married, so I'm trying to find the love of my life.
You don't
bro.
really get up close and shit.
You look hot.
I'm married and old.
It's our flagship white. It was our only white blend for about 30 years. Probably the most fruit forward white we have here. And then I'll probably go into some rosés and such after, all right?
Thank you.
Cheers.
All right, are we being responsible adults?
No. Never.
Look at the tree in the back. That's so cute.
Christmas time, baby.
It is Christmas time. So Keena and I are having a date night, and which is rare. We've been best friends now for 2 to 12, 14 years. And so yeah, we're just hanging out and having a good time.
Come on in. Happy birthday. What do you think? This is the moon and the stars. Happy balloons. Did you pick up the purple? How come I can never find anything in there? Purple. Wow!
Did you get the napkins?
And the badass plates.
Look at these. Aww, to the moon.
What are we doing, drugs later?
To the moon.
To the moon.
You guys are so cute. All right, Ayla, why don't you say a few words? Can you say mama?
Yeah.
Can you say dada? I know these go against speech therapy. I'm not supposed to ask you, put you on the spot, but
Nope.
most importantly, can you say Bri?
Okay, we can do that. Open.
Just so I can be in my own vlog, you know? Look at how cute. Ayla's opening her gifts.
Whatever present you want.
Back the other way.
Kind of a burden.
Why are we all four of you in the like the small? Sweet Ayla, happy second birthday. The world is full of special and wonderful places for you to explore. Wishing you many happy adventures and fun along the way. Open.
We're gonna shoot him with a BB gun.
This is a woodpecker. Ooh, let's open.
How do you like it?
Eye-hand coordination.
Okay, so let's put them in like this. Put them in like this, and then use this to get to feed. Look, I'm hungry. Yum, yum. Okay, your turn. You can do it together. Try to get it in the feed the bird. Yum. Yeah, you gotta feed the worms. These are the worms.
In the bottom and they can come all out again. That's, you know, it could work that way. Yeah. You want me to get you?
You weren't supposed to take her out of there.
Oh my gosh, look at you, you're a mess.
You're gonna pop the bottle?
Don't video me yet. Okay.
Come on over here,
Alright.
Let's do it.
Be careful, you're gonna put a hole in the ceiling and then they're gonna have somebody come in and fix it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ayla. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
You want to blow the candles? Happy birthday! Can you blow? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
How does it taste, Ayla? Ayla, we're eating some of your birthday cake.
Living together for 44
Wait, did you have it recorded?
Thank you.
62.
For real? Because it's recording. It's top right.
She's 60.
I just brought this to her and she went,
Well, you can date, but
tried to blow her candles.
Can't do anything else.
I think it was too much for her.
I was gonna say,
I think it's
yeah, it's behind you.
cool and good.
Oh, now this one.
That
That's
was
has
Grammy.
to-
Yeah.
News have
Can we plug it in
stars-
right now?
Stars everywhere. Probably battery. I don't know. We gotta
Wow, look at the bunny.
What are you gonna do with two?
charge that.
Oh, it's too
Now look
loud.
at the ceiling.
Ooh.
Look at the ceiling.
And you have all these different films.
Like I feel like I'm gonna explode. Just like quick thing.
Hi, beautiful.
Oh.
Turns a little.
All right, this is our last few moments together before Bri goes to the airport. What are we about to go do?
I don't know. Sex, drugs, and rock and roll.
You can't just say sex.
Let's eat.
Okay, we're going. Thank you, darling. You're such a gentlewoman. Gentlewoman. Like, hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch
Did I
you
get it?
next time.
On the flip side,
Wait, did I do it? That is good. That was good. Do you want to retake it?
There is zero rehearsing there. If you want to see more adventures of Bri and Q, like, comment, subscribe.
We'll catch you.
On the flip side. Legend.
Godmother legend. Bye.